Show. Hey guys, it's my Baby Show, and we're going to be making marshmallow pudding. It's by Yamu. If you want to check out the video for yourself, link in the description down below. So we have all of the ingredients. So there's a bowl of marshmallows. There's 100, I don't know, milk, like 100 something milk, and we have some marshmallows. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this spoon and scoop 1 spoon of sugar. We added the sugar, now let's add the milk. This is almond milk. I don't know if it'll work with almond milk, but I guess you can try. We can. So we're gonna microwave this for 3 minutes. Toss this in. Load it up. Let's do it. We're gonna use it anyway, and you can see, and then you'll throw it into the refrigerator for 3 hours. Painful. Where? So this is the final result. Soy milk, the almond milk.
어, 아이스크림 샀나 봐. 이거 거야?
I mean, it is like a pudding, like texture, but like I don't really like pudding texture. I mean, it tastes good, but this would be like a 6.7 out of 10 if I had to rate it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.